All right, this is number 20. We have a trough. It looks like so. That says it's in the shape of a triangular prism. Has a length of 2, and the sides of the triangle are 1, 1. This length is 2. On the scale, we got some water in here, water in here, and water in here. The trough. It's pretty, very pretty. So that's my trough. What I need to do is I need to find the volume in terms of the height. So let me redraw this base real quick. So it's a little bit bigger so I can see what's going on here. This is the base of the prism. This is the trough. So this is the water level. So now I'm trying to find the area. So I need to find the area of this base, because remember, the volume of this guy is the area of the base times the height, which in this case is just 2. So I need to find this base. So basically what I need to do is I need to find this B. I need to make that H, because H needs to be my input. So basically this is B, but the area I'm really trying to find is this area of this triangle, which is not the area of this triangle. But let me write what I know. I know this length, or this width right here, is 1.2. I know this is 1. So if I were to draw this down here, this would be 0.6. It's actually a 3069. I don't know if you might have noticed that, but so this is 0.8. So the total height is 0.8. The problem is I don't really know this. We'll call this W, width, and we'll call this height of that triangle. So again, I noticed that I have 2 right triangles here, so I can set up a proportion. So I can set up 0.6 over W equals 0.8 over H. So now I need to find the area of this base, right? So another formula I'm going to use is, I'm just going to call it B, because it's the same B as over here. B equals 1/2 of this base right here, which is 2W, times this H right here. So it's going to be WH. So again, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to write an equation with H in it. So I need to put in, for this W, I need to solve for W so that I can put in all the H's. So cross multiply up here. So I get 0.6H equals 0.8 W. Solve this for W, divided by 0.8, by 0.8. That's 3/4. So W equals 3H over 4. So then I have my base, my B, which is going to be 3H over 4 times H. So since I can substitute my B over here, I'm going to have my volume in terms of H, which is going to be 3H squared over 4 times 2, which simplifies to, that cancels, this is a 2, so 3H squared over 2. That's my function. That's part A. Part B, scroll down a little bit. Part B is the water is being pumped into the empty trough at a rate of 6 liters per minute. With this gives me a little bit of a challenge, because this is in terms of, this is actually meters cubed. That's the volume, and this is liters per minute. We know that. given from the problem, we have 1 meter cubed equals 1,000 liters. So what I need to do is I need to convert this 6 liters per minute into meters cubed. So I have 6 liters times 1 meter cubed over 1,000 liters. So that'll cancel out my liters. So it's going to give me 3 meters cubed over 500. So again, I have this is going to, my volume equation, like I said, from every other time, my volume is 6 liters per minute times the amount of time I get. I multiply that in, so my volume equation is going to be 3 meters. I'm going to leave out the meters cubed right here. I'm going to leave out the units because the units are going to be the same on both sides. So 3t, which is amount of time, times 500. So now I have the volume equation. I have 2 volume equations which I can set equal to each other, but now I'm trying to find h in terms of t. So again, I just need t's in my equation. I'm going to solve this for h. So I have 3h squared over 2, which equals 3t over 500. I'll give myself some more space here. So I solve this, multiply by the reciprocal, 2/3, 2/3, that goes away. So I have h squared equals 2t over 500. Get squared on both sides. So I know that h equals the square root 2t over 500. So then my answer in my function in terms of time, h of t then equals the square root of 2t over 500. The back of the book will probably simplify this to a decimal, which is the square root